Here is how to get the fish feast recipe in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King for a Horde character. So for this you will have to buy the recipe, you cannot get it from the action, and you will have to get right here in Dalaran, at the Horde side in Dalaran, right here on the map. So let's get inside the Horde side, and you'll have right now to turn right, and here is the kitchen. And here you will meet a lady who will sell you this recipe, and you'll have to buy the recipe with some tokens which you'll get from the daily quests. I'll explain to you everything in just a second. So get inside right here in the kitchen of the Horde, and she will sell you the fish feast recipe for 5 Dalaran Cooking Awards, and you'll get the Dalaran Cooking Awards if you'll speak with this troll. He will give you a daily quest, and as a reward you will get these tokens, these Dalaran Cooking Awards. I cannot see the quest because I'm just level 61, but from here you can purchase the fish feast recipe in WotLK for the Horde. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.